In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use color scales in Excel. Color scales are one of the fastest ways to turn a block of numbers into an at-a-glance story. They shade each cell based on its value, creating a heat map that helps you spot highs, lows, and patterns in seconds. Start by selecting the data you want to visualize. Click in the first cell and drag to the last cell so your entire range is highlighted. Stick to the numeric columns. Color scales are designed for numbers, and try not to include the header row or any grand totals, so the colors reflect just the values you care about. If your data is in one continuous block, you can also use a quick select like Ctrl+A to grab the range, then deselect any headers if needed. With the range highlighted, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. This is where Excel applies rules that automatically format cells based on their contents. You'll see several options here, like data bars and icon sets, but for this task, we'll focus on color scales. Choose Color Scales, and a gallery of palettes will open. Each option blends 2 or 3 colors across your selected range. The basic idea is simple. One end of the scale marks the low values, the other end marks the high values, and the middle transitions smoothly between them. Pick the palette that communicates best for your audience. For example, a green-yellow-red scale is familiar for good to bad comparisons, while a blue-white-blue or green-white-green scale can be easier on the eyes and more accessible for color vision differences. Click the color scale you want, and Excel applies it instantly. Higher numbers will take on the high-end color, lower numbers the low-end color, and everything else will fall in between. By default, Excel bases the shading on the minimum, midpoint, and maximum of the cells you selected. If you later edit the numbers, the colors update automatically, so your heat map stays in sync with your data. That's all it takes. Highlight your data, open Conditional Formatting, choose Color Scales, and select the palette that tells your story. If you make a choice you don't love, press Ctrl+Z to undo and try a different scale. With just a few clicks, you've transformed raw numbers into visual insight. Use this technique whenever you need quick, clear comparisons without building a full chart.